In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this design in Figma, this donut post. So let's just jump right in. Okay, first thing, open up Figma and add a frame. I'll go with 1080 by 1080, since we're making this for an Instagram post. Now let's add some color to it. Click on Fill, and instead of a solid color, we're going to choose Gradient Linear. For the first color, I'll type in this color code. And for the second color, let's just go with black. Okay, background's done. Now let's add our text. Click on the text tool and type donut. From here, grab the scale handle and just increase the size a bit. Then, in the Properties panel, let's change the font to Anton. I really like how bold and chunky it looks and align it to the center. Now, duplicate this text layer 3 times and place them like this. Once that's done, select all 3 duplicated layers, make them a little smaller and center them again. Alright, now we'll add a stroke. White color, thickness 5, and set the position to outside. Then go ahead and remove the fill, so it's just the outline showing. Looking good so far. Next, let's bring in this pattern. And by the way, I've linked the asset in the description if you want to use the same one. Place it behind the text layer. Increase the size so it fills the frame. And then bring the opacity down to about 60%. Now let's add our donut image. Position it right at the bottom center of the text, just a little lower. Yeah, that looks good. Now double-click into it and let's just tweak it a bit. Decrease the exposure slightly and bump up the shadows a touch. That gives it a bit more depth. Okay, so far, so good. Now we'll add the Shop Now box. I'll use the same color as before for this. Add a corner radius. Let's try 13. Let's bring that down to 11. That looks cleaner. Add a stroke, white color, thickness 3, and set it to inside this time. Then type in Shop Now and change the font to Bebas Neue and center it. Quick tip, go ahead and rename your layers now and keep everything organized. Trust me, it'll save you so much time later. Let's add the chocolate. Apply a layer blur and increase it to around 17 or 18. Send it to the back, behind the text. Now duplicate this chocolate piece and place it here. And duplicate it again, place it over here. Okay. Let's select all the chocolate layers together and change the blur to 15.5. Just to keep it consistent. Then adjust the positioning until it feels balanced. That looks really good. Last step, let's export this at 2x so it stays nice and crisp. And that's it. That's how you make this donut design in Figma. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with your friends. It really helps me out. See you in the next one.